Hey, look at this yummy soup. This soup teaches Python. And money tips too. You need corn, butterty, milk, onion and garlic, salt and pepper. Chop, chop, chop. Butter goes in. Onion and garlic go sizzle. Now the corn goes in. Milk and stock. Mix, mix, mix. Creamy time, Nano. Let it bubble slowly till it simmer. Blend, blend, blend. So smooth. Wow, so creamy. Yummy soup. Money lesson. If you take a small risk, you get small money. If you take a big risk, you get big money. But big risk can lose too. So choose carefully. Risk directly proportional to reward. Let's learn Python. 1 corn, 2 corn. So slow. There is a better way. All corns together. Let's smart way. That is list comprehension. X is just 1 corn. When Python looks at the bowl, it picks 1 corn at a time. Each corn is called X. Then Python puts all the X's into a new bowl. Let's break down the syntax for list comprehension. New item is what goes into the new bowl. For item in list is, pick each corn one by one from the original bowl. If condition, only pick the corns that meet your rule, like only yellow corn. Look, we only picked the yellow corns. Each yellow corn is called Y. All the yellow ones jump into the new bowl. Follow me for food, money, and Python.